Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. Welcome back to Rush for more reviews. So today we are here with an exclusive video. I know once I say exclusive, we're gonna do an inside property tour. So yes, we're here at the R Hotel in Kingston. So first of all, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. Remember to leave a comment, and remember to like as well and share. And if you're ever thinking about donating to the channel to go towards a drone for the channel, you can definitely do that. We have PayPal and other options as well. So it's Rush for More Reviews, bringing you a property tour of the R Hotel on Renfrew Road in Kingston. So stay tuned, watch to the end. Definitely watch to the end. We'll go inside, we'll take a look at the pool area, we'll go in the different rooms. So it's a full exclusive property tour. You guys asked for it and now it's here. So thanks for watching, thanks for all the support. And again, we're in New Kingston. Renfrew Road is off Auburn Road in New Kingston, so we're in the heart of New Kingston. And the R Hotel is one of Jamaica's first extended stay business hotel. So they have a vast amount of different packages for clients, for persons on vacation, for business persons as well. You have persons that stay up to even 3 months because they offer a kitchen area in some of the room, a laundry area. So for business travelers, persons who want something Airbnb type, then this is definitely the place to visit, guys. So it's the R Hotel in Kingston. We got a chance to get an inside property tour, so I'll be taking you guys along. All right, so it's 8 floors in total. There are a few floors that are underground, that are in the basement. They also have covered parking. You know, we always advocate for, you know, underground parking to get more space for the building construction. So what we're going to do, we're going to take a look in the lobby, and that's the Courtly Towers in New Kingston, one of the older type apartments in New Kingston. So we'll take a look in the lobby, and then we go to basement and we check out the different floors. So come along with me. All right, so we are now on the basement, which has a few offices and conference room. So guests has the luxury to use, for example, the conference room if needs be. So this is the basement area. The conference room is being used right now, so we won't be able to go in. So there's quite a few different art pieces in the R Hotel. This is the conference room, currently occupied. And then this is an external organization right here. And then from there you also have the gym area. Let's take a quick look in the gym. All right, so that was the gym area. So we'll go to the other floors now and check out the rooms. Then we go on to the rooftop. This video will be a little bit longer than usual, but stay tuned, guys. I'm sure you won't regret it. So this is a very nice place when you're in Kingston, whenever you're traveling to Jamaica, whether it's for a 1 night, a 1 week, or even a 3 months. The R8 Hotel is definitely the place to be. All right, so this is the first floor. At the R Hotel as well, they're fully COVID-19 compliant, so they have hand sanitizers on every floor. They also have a cleaning protocol where the common areas are cleaned every 15 minutes based on the Ministry of Health standards. So elevators and different public areas are wiped down and sanitized. Their staff is also in full compliance. And again, quite a few art pieces throughout the hotel as well. So we're going to check out one of the room for you guys now. All right, so this is one of the deluxe room. This one comes with a stove, electric stove, comes with microwave, coffee maker, fridge right there. So if you want to cook, if you're staying for a while, it's designed to be completely self-contained. So whether you're an Airbnb guest, a 1 night stay, it really does have everything to your comfort. And then this is a king size bed. So this is the deluxe room. So you have the option of a fan. You also have an AC unit. You have a table to work from if it's a case you want to do some work. And sanitizer in the room. And then this is the first floor. So this is not the ice view, but you still have some view through your window. So that's New Kingston back that side. All right, so let me show you the laundry area. And then I'll show you the bathroom as well. So this is your laundry area. So if you're here for a week, a month, a night, then you're able to do your laundry as well. Good quality, it's Samsung. And then you also have plates to use. You can request additional plates or pots. So you have different kitchen utilities. You can request pots as well. All right, and if it's multiple persons traveling, you also can have rooms beside each other, and then you're able to open right here, and it would be like a 2-bedroom or whatever the case is. So you also have a closet area, iron board, a safe. You also have a mirror on the closet. So let's now take a look in the bathroom. Alright, so very decent size bathroom. So you have a shower, you have the tub area. Alright, so let's go take a look on the other room. These rooms as well, they are very energy efficient. So once you come out the room, everything turns off because of the smart key. So I'll show you that as well. Alright, so this is the smart key system. So all lights are on, TV's on. You're leaving the room, you take out your key, and then everything turns off. So once the door closes, everything turns off. Alright, so nice view of New Kingston. And again, we are on Renfrew Road off Alburn Road in New Kingston, doing an exclusive property tour of the R Hotel. I know it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and you're on the Raymore review channel. So this is one of the art pieces with the the artist is Dr. David Boxer. So this is an expensive piece. I was told it's worth over $3 million. So if you guys are art lovers, quite a few art pieces here. So we're going to check out another room. So take a walk with me. All right, so we are now on the second floor, and this is room number 206. This would be a smaller version of the first one we checked out. So this one doesn't have any kitchen area or laundry area, but you still have your king size bed, very decorative bed head as well. I like it. What do you guys think about this one? So let me know which one you'd stay in, because I guess for each person would be different. Some persons that are staying longer may need, a kitchen area, a laundry area. But probably like for a one night stay, a 1 week stay, you may just need a room like this one. So let me know which one you'd prefer, which one you'd stay in. So we did the deluxe room on floor number 1. And then this is floor number 2. You have the bathroom area. That's where we entered through. And then the bathroom. You also have a good view into New Kingston, Sagicor, Trafalgar Road. That's the NCB atrium. Alright, so similar to the first one, but no kitchen or laundry. And let's take a glimpse in the bathroom now. Alright, so again, guys, share your comments, share your thoughts. Let me know what you think about this room. Again, our hotel, Renfrew Road, New Kingston. For your vacation stay, long-term stay, business stay. Again, gym, pool, restaurant. Completely COVID compliant. Great location, great rooms. So this is an exclusive property tour of the R Hotel. I think they've been built probably 2 years now. Alright, so we'll check out the third room on the third floor. Alright, so we're now on the third floor. So we're going to look at the third and final room for today. They also have some loft suites, which is like an apartment. You have a big kitchen, laundry, and then 2 bedrooms upstairs, but they're all occupied, so I won't get a chance to look in the loft suites. But we're now going to look at the third room on the third floor. Alright, so this is the third room. This one does have a balcony. The other 2 didn't. So this one is higher up, and you get a balcony view towards Alburn Road. Alright, so I do like that painting over the bed. This one doesn't have a kitchen or a washer either. You have closet area, iron board, safe, your bed, TV, Storage, a little study slash office table. And then the bathroom area. Let me show you the bathroom, then the balcony view, and then we go to the rooftop area. So this is the bathroom. Decent sized bathrooms, very clean, very tidy. Shower and bathtub. So very neat. So again, we're at the R Hotel. This is one of the options that you guys can definitely consider. Whether you are visiting Jamaica, you're returning for a short while, or you're even living in Jamaica and probably need somewhere to chill a little bit, or you probably live outside of Kingston and need somewhere to stay. So this is a good option. And they do try to offer, Airbnb type, accommodation as well. So short stay, long stay, hotel type stay, business trip type stay, you name it. So this is the balcony area. And we can automatically see Ruthven Towers. We've covered that construction multiple times. So construction is going on quite nicely over there. The expected completion date that I got was June 2021, but honestly I think it can finish before June 2021. So that was the official date that I got, but you guys let me know if you have any more information on the Ruthven Towers in terms of when it's going to be completed. And then over there is another construction. I think that was a smaller type hotel slash inn, and they did a complete renovation, remodeling as well. And then this is Alburn Road heading up to Trafalgar Road. So nice views from your balcony. And then we have Courtly Towers over this side. Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica. Yeah, so this is the our hotel. I like it. It's very nice. What do you guys think? Share your thoughts, share your comments, and let me know. So let's head on to the rooftop area. Alright guys, and security is also top notch. The elevator won't work without the key. So we just came out the elevator. Decent size elevator. Alright, so this is also now a better view. We're on the 5th floor. So that's the Courtly Towers. So great view. We can see Oak Road. We can see Parkhurst 1. We basically can see Devon House. So that's Trafalgar and Oak Road intersection right there. And then Devon House would be right there as well. And then Parkhurst 1 in the background. So great views. We'll also get some rooftop views in. And then this is a little lounge area. Can have a snack, can chill. Alright, so we're now on the rooftop area, guys. So this area will get a complete redesign. The aim is to turn this into a lounge, and they'll accommodate live music, band session where different bands come in and play. Red Bones restaurant was previously here, but that has changed, so they're redecorating this rooftop area. It will have a fine dining public restaurant as well. And Brian Lumley, probably some of you guys have heard that name before. Brian Lumley will be the executive chef coming in. So it'll be a complete remodel of the rooftop area, rooftop bar, to accommodate a lounge area and a fine dining restaurant. They will also have band session, acoustic music sessions. So that's really the plan. So that's currently happening right now. So not yet finished, that's on the way. So I'm not showing too much of the restaurant area because it's currently under construction. And then over this side we have the pool area. Get a little bit closer soon. So I'll go over to the pool area a little bit from now. So again, they're renovating the restaurant area, so that portion is not available right now. But let me show you some of the views. Alright, so this is some of the rooftop balcony area. You can have a drink, you can sip some wine in the evening. And this is a view of New Kingston. We have Knutsford Express. We have Dominica Drive. We have glimpses of Knutsford Boulevard. It's a very nice view. We can even see the ocean. We can see over the wharf. So nice view. So again guys, thanks for watching so far in the video. I really appreciate the support. Appreciate all the likes, all the shares, all the comments that I know you guys are leaving right now. So if you haven't left a comment, pause, leave a comment, say something about our hotel, and remember to share the video as well guys. Thanks for the support. And once you see exclusive in the title or somewhere in the thumbnail, then for sure we're gonna go and do an inside property tour. So great location, great views, great rooms, great amenities. I like it, but let me hear your thoughts, your opinions as usual, because this channel is for everyone. This channel can't survive without you guys. So let me hear from you guys as well. So I'm gonna close it off by showing you guys the pool and the wine area.